Today's 3D scanning dilemma. Consumer scanners lack precision while industrial systems are prohibitively expensive. Meet Stra-X Pro by Deeptech3d, precision and portability redefined. Weighing under 890 grams, it withstands diverse conditions effortlessly. Capture from 50mm parts to full vehicles. 2 built-in self-developed custom industrial-grade large lenses capture micro-details with unmatched clarity and stability. Our AI engine, optimized for millions of points, seamlessly filters noise and reconstructs perfect surfaces, even on challenging materials. Experience lightning-fast scanning at 1.8 million points per second with a 190mm stereo baseline, 22 crossed laser lines, 7 fine scanning laser lines, 1 deep hole mode laser line. Stra-X Pro sets a new standard. Seamlessly integrate precision scanning with production. Stra-X Pro by Deeptech3d. This is next-level productivity, not a toy. Invest in the tool that transforms your workflow. Join us now and be part of the revolution.